How to turn on Incognito Mode in YouTube. This tutorial shows you how to find and enable Incognito Mode in the latest version of YouTube on your Android device. First, open YouTube on your Android device and make sure your phone is in portrait mode. If you're in landscape, the incognito option may not show up at all. From there, tap the U tab at the bottom right corner. At the top of the screen, tap on your account name or profile section to open a list of your accounts and options. From there, tap Turn on Incognito, and it will be enabled straight away. Once active, you'll notice the app switches to a dark theme with an incognito icon at the top. This means your searches and watch history won't be saved for as long as it's turned on. If you still can't find the option, make sure your YouTube app is fully updated from the Play Store. Try closing and reopening the app, or log out and back into your account. Any of these can bring the option back if it's not showing up. And that's it. If this guide helped you turn on Incognito Mode in YouTube, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one!